You can share the lists you have prepared in advance with your teammates. To do that, click on the influencer. Select Lists. These are the lists that you have prepared as a brand beforehand. Let's say I want to share the access with the list called Fashion and Lifestyle. Select Share. Select Add User. Write down the email address of the person with whom you want to share the access with. Define their role and click Add User. Now the person you have shared the access with have to log in from their own accounts. And once they log in and they click on the list, now they will be able to see the list of influencers in fashion and lifestyle